It's called, I don't necessarily have a title right now, but when I was writing this, I was inspired by this article. It was about the unreached of our people, about the rich not caring for the poor, even though they live like blocks away from each other. They, pass each other on the bus, on the light rail. They probably live like not too far away from each other's neighborhoods. But yeah, it's just, I was inspired, so kind of wanted to write this song and throw Chelsea on the chorus because she's got an amazing voice. But yeah, I guess right now we could title it Impoverished Wealth. A short walk between the concrete and sea. A beautiful young faces accustomed to going hungry. Living in a broken home, it's a known fatherless teens. Heart beating, but abuse, neglect, and addiction. Love needs protection, and conditions that is partisan. Youth success is staggering due to the lack of opportunities in the same cities and often within the same neighborhoods. Exact opposite is present for the urban adolescents. Exists a metropolis of the finest schools of the world's extravagance. Dollars, a high tower that takes his coffee cup, $100 lunch, converses to currencies, power decision making self with lattice, does the church all across the street matter?
And he is not forgotten, he will not walk past, with outstretched arms he came, and outstretched arms he leaves. He is not forgotten, he will not walk past, he is working
the rich don't interact with the poor, even if they soldier past each other, gone and common dawn on the daily basis. The urban youth living lives another day to protect themselves, improve themselves. Attempts to manifest a reputation with no second replacement on top of what's on the bottom, lack of education, poverty, concentration. Most lives, most times instead to sell blocks. On the other hand, at the next light rail stop, one leaves to feed the stock, the one lives to feed the other stocks. Extreme culture force out of business stay luxury, high rise, taught to strive for one successful life. The next achievement is the dedicated time to the next status. Rank top in the high classes, no more fatherless epidemics, no more God in the high tower, urban adolescence.
And he is not forgotten, he will not walk past, with outstretched arms he came, and outstretched arms he leaves. He is not forgotten, he will not walk past, he is working in the cities where the people are unreached. He is not forgotten, he will not walk past, he is working in the cities where the people are unreached. Yeah.
Impoverished Wealth. Chelsea.
This one is entitled Bloody Poetry
By Breeds.
Yeah, so y'all could, I don't know, do whatever you guys want. Clap your hands, throw your hands in the sky.
It's our last song. Everybody stand up for me. Stand up.
Yeah.
Please.
They did. Welcome to Atlanta, we do a welcome to Cali. Palm trees and farm deep, located right in the valley. To the California sun, had us dreaming a lot. So we dish out 16s, now we steaming to the top. That 30 years of war took us off the rider's block. I see my mother working late and it had me going crazy, man. I spit rhymes of pink, mirrors in line designed to paint the way, inspired to lead the blind. If the mic is the paintbrush, the beat is the canvas. The family is the cancer, the beat does not happen. Defeat is not an option, amazing it was happening. Shutting down the radios, broadcasting to the masses. Plugging to the kitchen, cooking, serving the seeds. What is this, the mission to be murking the beat? Yo, it's delicious venom and the family here with that 2012 collaboration of the year. Say music, music, say music, music, say music, music, say music, music. From the sliding couch, southeast boombox, coming it up the boombox, hip hop, fresh out like the night box. I took flight with the illy past the mic, and everything's came the tree and lift up over on fire. Trouble through the cream of the tears, shooting up desires. No need for limelights, we know what time's like. No need to run, we know what the best life is like. It's new time, no time to get out of line. I call us blind sound, if it's fake, working overtime. If the family's pushing over hard, look, it's great music, not a guilty. The charismatic swagger, the skills mathematic, and tenfold shit to go with dope-o. Have you ever seen the unseen? The family glow, come rockin' the show. Show, check it out. Yeah, check it out the day. Right way with what's the next saying? How I'm feeling with the spotlight. I thought when you I was supposed to rock tight, right? It's about what I said. Hip-hop is dead, now 6 feet under your hands. Underground is dead, my check. 1, 2, 1, 2. We spit 5 on the pepper cut. Give me a ride, you. Nobody come across you. She like you missing me right. The family drumming songs like a knock aside. Rap poverty. Due to the lack of substance like Johnny. And we laying his like that man. Rochelle in the roof. We throwing out that W. They're like Michael Jordan when he played with the flute. Tell us to the radio, tell them that they gotta stop. If they walk here, profit, let us take ride. They do it, they got it. Thank you.
Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Darling, everything's on fire. The war outside our door keeps raging on. And hold on to this fight, even when the music's gone. Just close your eyes, the sun is going down, you'll be alright. realize, come morning light, you and I'll be safe and will you hold me down, pull me up from the ground, tell me everything's okay when it's really not, kiss my lips and say I'm with you on this bed, hold my hand when things get rough till the end of the day, 'cause I crazy about your love, it's heaven sent from above, darling. I can get a hold of you, 'cause I've been hypnotized and I'm on a spell, but don't